if I could go back in time, I would come here to Bangor and do my undergraduate studies here, without question. It's, to me, the finest university in the land, and particularly for those who study the natural sciences, because it is all on your doorstep here. You have the Menai Straits and Anglesey, you have Snowdonia, all within a stone's throw of this fabulous institution of learning. And for me, that ability to be able to see and experience the real living things that you are then studying is gold dust. There are very few other places in the world that have those natural resources as we have here at Bangor. And, other universities can get investments, can get bigger and better buildings and labs, but they can't build Snowdonia on their doorstep. This place has everything, and that's why I value it so much.